Hey guys, welcome to question FM324 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, Leonardo requires a new conical spinning top made of marble to ensure his sanity. The dimensions of the top are presented in the figure below, and then we're given a diagram that looks like this one. The volume of marble required to create this top in cubic millimeters is closest to what? So, this shape is a slightly weird one. However, if we were to break it down, what we have to make up this spinning top shape is two cones and a cylinder. So the volume of our top is going to be found by finding the volume of two cones, which are exactly the same. So top and bottom, they have the same dimensions. And also by finding the volume of that cylinder in the center. Bringing all of that together should get us the correct answer. However, the other thing we want to keep in mind is at the end of this question, we're told that we're finding the volume in cubic millimeters, and all of the measurements we've been given are in centimeters. So the other thing that we might want to jot down as a reminder to ourselves is also convert to millimeters cubed. Cool. So, we'll start with the volume of a cone. Now, normally when we're finding the volume of a cone, we use the formula 1/3 pi r squared h. So substituting the values in for the volume of the cone, we should get 1/3 times pi 2.5 squared, because we have a radius of 2.5 centimeters. And we have a height for this cone of 2 centimeters. So both of them have a height of 2. So we'll jot down 2 like that. And that gives us an expression for the volume of one of our cones. Then looking at the volume of one of our cylinders, the formula that we use is pi r squared times h. So substituting here, we get pi times 2.5 squared times 0.3. So here we have a height of 0.3, same radius though. So bringing all of that together to find the volume of our top, this is going to equal 2 times the volume of our cone, which we found to be 1/3 times pi times 2.5 squared times 2, plus the volume of our cylinder, which was pi times 2.5 squared times 0.3. We also want to remember this convert to millimeters business. So you guys might have something in your notes at the moment that helps you convert from millimeters to centimeters or centimeters to millimeters. Now we know that the conversion for centimeters to millimeters is to multiply by 10. However, we're looking to convert centimeters cubed into millimeters cubed, which means we multiply by 10 cubed. Now, if we didn't have this little plus, we could just whack this on at the end, but because we've got this little plus symbol in here, we have to take the volume of our top in brackets and multiply the whole thing by 10 to the power of 3 to convert to millimeters cubed. Plugging all of that into a calculator, you should get an answer that to the nearest whole figure rounds to 32,070 millimeters cubed, which means our correct answer is option D. If you guys have any questions about that one, please drop them in the comments below for us. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.